My name is Howard Stoddard and I'm Operations Manager for Control Solutions. The square footage of the new Pressurized Solutions facility is 18,000 square feet total. That breaks down to 10,000 square feet used for propellant storage. There's 4,000 square feet that is in buildings outside that are related to the production and filling of the pressurized solutions. And then there's 4,000 square feet inside one of our buildings for packaging. CSI has currently spent a little over $2 million to install the new Pressurized Solutions operation into our current facility. We broke ground on the Pressurized Solutions manufacturing facility in March of 2017. The line was fully up and running as of April 2018. We have the ability to do 2 different liquid fills and 2 different propellant fills on our products if necessary. So this facility was designed more to be able to provide specialized formulations that we can do small runs on. This facility was built with the most recent technology available according to NFPA standards to take care of employee safety, to take care of fire suppression, and also to take care of any fire prevention in the future. So it's a very safe operation.